Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Listen, a lot of things have been happening behind the scenes. I know you guys will be like, is he going to come out with this? What is the Digital Growth Hacks Club? Again, you already have access to it if you've subscribed to the Digital Growth Hacks Club. So there's a Digital Growth Hacks Club, then there's a Digital Growth Hacks members only, then there's a Digital Growth Hacks Founders Roundtable. I have 3 major events coming up. Go ahead and register for the first one. That is for my agencies. That's going to be an agency hack fest. I have the biggest agency deal coming out that you have not seen before. You're going to want to head and register for it. So I have a lot of things happening. If you have not joined the Digital Growth Hacks Club, there'll be a link below for that. If you have not joined my exclusive members only club, there'll be a link for that as well. If you want to have access to our first agency hack fest, that's coming up. Again, go ahead and subscribe. I'm just letting you know, because once it happens, we don't have that many. I can't accommodate that many, everybody that's on my channel. But if you get in, you're going to get access. So again, you can join the regular community, right? There's going to be a link for that. There's a members only community, right? That's for premium subscribers. They get other things, right? And then there is this next event that's coming up. That's going to be for agencies only. You definitely don't want to miss that. That's going to be prime. I have some cool deals. Met with some founders from our Founders Roundtable. They threw me some exclusive sweet deals. If you're an agency, you don't want to miss that. Hey, see you guys around. See you in the Inside Digital Growth Hacks Club, man. We're doing a lot of stuff. 2024 will be your year. You guys take care. See you on the inside. Goodbye for now.